Want to know how to make the most out of your assessment feedback? My name's Jules, your Education Officer, and here are my top tips for you. If you have 24 to 48 hours for exams, don't work for the entire period. The time is there for you to plan properly and then complete your assessment, but make sure that you're taking regular breaks and looking after your mental health. Make sure you're eating and sleeping properly, and you'll do much better for it. Some of you have in-person assessments this January and may not have sat in-person exams for quite a while. So another top tip for you is maybe practice some past papers in exam conditions. Some schools are offering this, but otherwise you can just sit in a study space or at home and do an exam to time conditions. Throughout this semester and maybe even in previous academic years, you should receive lots of feedback from your academics, whether this be through take-home tests, class exams, formative assessments, you name it. All of this feedback is useful for your next assignment, so make sure you collate all of this feedback, reflect on what's worked, what's not worked, and you'll do even better for it. My final top tip for you is utilise the Assessment Support Hub. This is a collection of resources that people from across the university have put together to support students throughout the assessment period. There's tons of stuff there from the Guild, from the Library Academic Skills Centre, you name it. Those are my top tips. Good luck with all your assessments. If you need anything, make sure you head on over to the Guild.